Hi. Welcome back. In today's class, we will be learning creating your personal VA AI toolkit. How to choose tools, stack them, and teach clients how you use them. Goal: build a personal ecosystem of AI tools that enhance your efficiency, align with your work style, and add value to your clients. Section 1. What is a Personal VA AI Toolkit? A Personal VA AI Toolkit is your customized set of AI-powered tools that help you automate routine tasks, deliver faster results to clients, manage workflows, communication, and creative tasks. Stand out as a tech-savvy, efficient virtual assistant. Think of it as your digital toolbox, carefully selected tools that you're skilled in, and that solve specific problems across your tasks. Section 2. Why you need one. Most clients don't have time to research or adopt the best tools. Expect you to be the expert who brings them solutions. Appreciate efficiency, clear reporting, and automated systems. Having a toolkit means you avoid tool overload. You work faster and smarter. You position yourself as an indispensable asset. Section 3. Categories of tools your toolkit should cover. Below are essential categories, with examples. You can mix and match based on your client's needs and your strengths. Function. Tool examples. Use case. Task management. ClickUp, Notion, Trello. Organize tasks, projects, SOPs. Time and calendar. Motion, Calendly, Time Hero. Bookings, auto-scheduling, time blocking. Inbox management. Gmail Smart Compose, Superhuman, ChatGPT. Draft replies, automate email workflows. Meeting notes. Fireflies, Otter.ai, Fathom, TL, DV. Summarize meetings, tag action items. Content creation. Copy.ai, ChatGPT, Jasper. Social posts, captions, emails, blogs. Design and branding. Canva AI, Slides AI, Tome. Create visuals, decks, reports. CRM. Streak CRM, HubSpot, Pipedrive. Client tracking, follow-ups, deals. Dashboards and reports. Airtable, Google Sheets, Looker Studio. KPI reports, project dashboards. Voice and focus. Crisp. Noise removal for meetings. Video editing. Descript, Pictory, Wisecut. Edit marketing content or summaries. Section 4. How to choose the right tools. Use this 4-step decision framework. Step 1. Identify core tasks you do often. Examples. Inbox management. Social media content planning. Project updates. Monthly reports. Client meeting summaries. Activity. List your top 5 recurring tasks for clients. Step 2. Match one tool to each task. Instead of trying 10 tools, aim for 1 to 2 best-in-class per need. Task. Tool. Inbox plus replies. Gmail plus ChatGPT. Notes and recaps. Fireflies.ai. Social content. Copy.ai plus Canva. Project tracking. ClickUp. Reporting. Airtable. Step 3. Consider integration. Look for tools that talk to each other or support Zapier/Make. Example. Use ClickUp plus Fireflies. Fireflies meeting recap pushes notes into a ClickUp task. Use Calendly plus Motion. Motion blocks your calendar after a Calendly booking. Step 4. Test, then standardize. Try free versions, select your stack, and master them deeply. Section 5. How to stack tools together, AI tool stacking. Tool stacking equals using 2 or more tools together to complete a process efficiently. Example 1. Content stack. ChatGPT, generate blog outline. Copy.ai, refined tone. Canva AI, design carousel. Trello, schedule post in content calendar. Example 2, meeting to action stack. Fireflies.ai, records and transcribes meeting. ClickUp, Fireflies sends action items as tasks. Motion, schedules time to complete them. Airtable, logs the task for weekly client reports. Example 3, onboarding stack. Calendly, new client books onboarding. Trello/Notion, intake form plus welcome board. ChatGPT generates custom client SOP from responses. Loom, you record a welcome tour. Section 6, how to present your toolkit to clients. Clients want to know that you're efficient, that you'll save them time, that they don't have to manage your work, you've got it covered. Step 1, create a VA Toolkit overview document. Include the tools you use, what each one is for, how it benefits them, whether they need access, yes/no. Example template. Tool. Purpose. Access needed. Benefit to client. ClickUp. Task/project tracking. View only. See real-time updates. Fireflies. Meeting summary. No. Action points after every call. Copy.ai. Content drafting. No. Fast delivery of captions/blogs. Airtable. Monthly reporting. Yes. Track progress, KPIs. Step 2, walk them through your system. Do a short call or Loom video explaining your setup. Example, here's how you'll receive reports from me every Friday, and how we'll manage your inbox and meeting summaries. Step 3, build SOPs. Clients love when you have a system. Document it. Let them focus on growth. Section 7, templates and downloads. You'll receive VA Toolkit Planner, Google Sheet template, Tool Comparison Chart, Email template to introduce your toolkit to clients. Sample SOP, how I use AI for inbox plus task management. Loom script, how I'll be managing your work. Section 8. Your assignment. Part A, build your toolkit. List the tools you use or will use in the following areas. Task and project tracking. Inbox and communication. Meeting notes and recaps. Content and design. CRM and reporting. Scheduling and automation. Part B, draft your VA Toolkit overview. Use the table format above. You'll use this for every new client. Part C, record a toolkit tour, optional but recommended. Use Loom or a screen recorder to give a 3 to 5 minute walkthrough. Use this in your onboarding process moving forward. Section 9, key takeaways. You don't need all AI tools, just the right ones that match your workflow. Tool stacking boosts efficiency and makes you look highly professional. Teaching clients how you work builds trust and reduces micromanagement. Having a toolkit is part of your personal brand as a VA. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.